was a full-time college student. I was majoring in criminal justice. Just happy to be, doing my thing. Everyone begins to make their way towards the door. And I remember just hearing the gunshots. From my understanding, it was gang affiliated. I just felt the pressure in my neck. And I remember telling the police officer, I was like, I'm getting really tired. And I was in ICU for about 2 weeks, excruciating pain. And I think it was a day after surgery. Obviously I'm gonna ask, am I gonna ever walk again? And the nurse practitioner just looked at me and was like, no, you're never gonna walk again. So driven is like positivity in a box. It gives you a sense of hope, it inspires you. We inspire each other, with our accomplishments. We all can relate to each other in some way. I plan on going back to college and finishing my degree just because I was so close to graduating. It's just an amazing place, it really is. The words can't describe how amazing Driven is. So looking back 2 years ago, I know I was thinking of making the transfer from a power wheelchair into a manual wheelchair. And I finally made the jump. I also did make the jump to go back to school. I have 2 full ride scholarships to go to UNLV, and I'm studying business. So hopefully I'll graduate by the end of next year. And then after that, I will apply to law school. Well, I feel like every day is kind of a day to celebrate. I always tell my mom, if it's one thing you have a choice in, every day is to wake up and try and be happy. I think every day is a day to celebrate. Yeah.